Hey guys, wanted to touch base on brake pads one more time. I had a couple more guys asking in the past about the pads, and they were actually going through and feeling them with their hands and kind of sliding them on the bench or just trying to, I'll say, hand dyno the brake pads. They felt like they were too smooth or they weren't going to give them the bite based on what they were feeling in the pad material itself. You got to remember that the pads work under hundreds of pounds of pressure. Rotors are spinning really fast, and that, I'll say, almost becomes like a molten layer between the pad and the material that's transferred to the rotor, the transfer layer. And that's what's really giving you the friction for the most part. So what you're feeling on the bench is really tough to hand dyno a brake pad. Just like it's tough to understand a shock and hand dyno a shock as well. So it all just kind of depends on the friction material and kind of where it's at. Give us a call and we can kind of talk through the different compounds and help you figure out what's right for you. Thanks.